Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's online session with full of energy and enthusiasm with your EVS teacher Shweta Navkhare. Today I will show you one video and you have to guess the today's topic. Ready for it children? Then let's see. Did you guess the today's topic children? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Our today's topic is lesson number 4, plants around us. So our today's topic is plant around us. So children, let's start the lesson. We see many kinds of plant around us. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are very big in size and some are small. Tall and strong plants are called trees. See here children, banyan tree, then peepal tree, coconut tree. All these are trees. Small bushy plants are called shrubs. Rose and cotton plants are shrubs. Plants smaller than shrubs are called herbs. Rice plant and spinach plant are herbs. Now see children, plants grow in different places. This is fir and pine tree. Fir and pine tree grows on mountains where it is always cold. Water lily plant grows in water and the lotus plant also grows in water. The coconut tree grows in hot places near the sea. Mango and neem trees grow in warm places. Which plant is this children? Yes, this is cactus. The cactus plant grows in hot deserts where water is very little. Now we will study about leaves of plants. Plants have leaves. These leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Some are round, some are long, and some are triangular. See here children, some have straight margins and some have uneven margins. Most leaves are green in color, but some leaves are even yellow, red and purple. Leaves prepare food for plants, therefore they are called the kitchen of the plant. Listen carefully children, leaves prepare food for plants. Who prepare food for us? Yes, our mama prepare food for us. The same way leaves prepare food for plants. So they are called kitchen of the plants. Now children, here is one activity given for you. To observe that leaves of different plants have different smell, and the things required for the activity: leaves of different plants like neem, basil, that is tulsi, mint means pudina, lemon and mango. Any tree leaves you can select. You have to do this activity at your home. Now children, crush the leaves of one plant and smell them. Now crush the leaves of second plant and smell them. And repeat the same procedure with the leaves of third plant. Then do you find the smell of leaves of different plants alike? Yes children? No. The smell of leaves of different plants are different. So children, different plants have different smell. Our elders can easily recognize a plant simply by smelling its leaves. You are also suggested to develop this skill by learning from adults. Now our next topic is shading of leaves. Leaves fall from the trees mostly in the autumn season and sometimes in the summer season also. This is called shading of leaves. Trees shade their leaves to conserve water. See here children, the tree shades their leaves. Then the fallen leaves slowly rot with time and mix with the soil. This increases the fertility of soil. We should never burn the leaves because on burning harmful gases are produced which pollute the air. We should collect all the fallen leaves and put them in a compost pit. See here children, this is a compost pit. This helps to prevent air pollution and also gives manure to the plant. Manure is very useful for plant. Now we will learn about plant products. See children, here plant gives us cotton, cereals and pulses, fruits and vegetables, wood, oils and medicines, tea and coffee. Means we depend on plants. So children, protect the environment because plants give us food, shelter, oxygen and so many things. Without plant we cannot survive. So everyone should grow plant and take care of it. Okay children? Thank you and bye bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.